Hello, teacher.
Hi. Hi, Ben. Hello. Hi. Is your name Ben? Is your name Ben? Are you Ben? Are you Ben? Yeah? What's your name?
Um,
What is your name? What is your name? Okay. Teacher's going to share the screen. Ta-da-da. Okay. Hello. What is your name? Oops. Oh, okay. Hold on for a while. Oh. What is your name? Ah. Okay. Ben. Is your name Ben? Are you Ben? Yes? Yes? Are you Ben? Yes. Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Yeah? I am teacher Ashin. Ben? I am teacher Ashin. Ben, are you ready for the class? Ben? Are you ready? Ready? Yes? Hello? Okay, so teacher's going to share the screen now, my dear. We're going to have our lesson for today. Take a look. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now? Yes? Yeah? Can you see teacher's screen? Yes. Hello? Ben? Yeah. Okay. Honey, we are now going to have the lesson about subject. Honey, say subject. Can you say that? Subject. Yeah, subject. Okay, this one. This one is subject. Honey, can you hear me? Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Yeah? Oh, wait. Vietnamese. Okay. Can you hear me?
Bạn có nghe tôi không?
Honey? Ben?
Bạn
Yes? Okay. Very good. Is my voice clear? Oh. Is my voice clear? Okay.
giọng tôi có rõ không?
Ben? Yes. Okay. So now, honey, we are now going to have our first lesson together. Okay. Listen.
Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ có bài học đầu tiên cùng nhau.
Okay? Okay, Ben? Okay, now honey, we are going to have, man, we are we are going to have the lesson about subjects. Subjects.
Chúng ta sẽ có một bài học về các môn học.
Okay? Now, let's have the first one, Ben. Do you know this? Honey. Ben? Ben?
No.
This one is,
Maths.
what's this subject?
What?
What is this? Yes, this one is math. One more time, honey. Math, yes. Okay, it's
Toán,
okay. Ben, do you like the math?
bạn có thích toán không?
Yes.
Yes. You like it?
Yes.
Okay, you say, I like math. Can you say that? I like math. Say it. Very good. That is great to hear him. Are you good in math? Are you good in math? No. Are you good in math, my dear?
No.
No. Oh, teacher too. Okay.
Em có giỏi toán không, cưng nhà?
Okay. Honey, do you like the math, Ben? Do you like the math? Do you like the math, my dear?
No.
No,
Yes.
you say. Again.
Em có thích môn toán không, cưng?
Do you like it? No, you say no, I don't. Can you say that? I don't like math.
No.
I don't like math. Say it. Yes. Okay, now again, you say math for 3 times. Math, math, math. Again. Yes. Now, let's have the next one. Ben, what is this? What is this one, Ben? What is this? Do you know this?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. One more time. Can you say Vietnamese? Honey, Vietnamese. Okay.
Môn học tiếng Việt.
Môn học tiếng Việt. Okay? Vietnamese subject. Okay? All right, you say Vietnamese for 3 times, honey. Vietnamese, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. Say that.
No. I don't.
You don't know. Again, Vietnamese. One more time. You say Vietnamese. Ben, you say it again. Vietnamese. Honey? Viet.
Yeah.
Viet. Viet. Vietnamese. Again. Vietnamese. Yes. Okay. Do you like Vietnamese subject, honey? Do you like the Vietnamese subject?
Bạn có thích môn tiếng Việt không?
Yes? Yes?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Very good. You say no. I don't like Vietnamese subject. Say it.
No.
I don't like Vietnamese subject. Again, I don't like Vietnamese subject.
I
Don't like. One more time, Ben. I don't like. Ben. Again. I don't like Vietnamese subject. Again, what is this subject, honey? What is this subject? Uh-huh. What is the name? What is the name of this subject? Subject. My dear, can you say it?
Tên của môn học này là gì?
Vietnam.
Vietnam
Yes, very good. It is Vietnamese. Okay, that one, honey, is Vietnamese. Very good, my dear. Now, let's move forward to the third one. Do you know this? Do you know this one? This one is
Science.
science. Can you say that? Yeah, say it. Science, science, science. Can you say that, please? One more time, honey. Science. Yes, again, one more time. Science. Yes. Do you like the science subject, honey? Do you like the science subject? Hả?
Bạn có thích môn khoa học không?
No? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
I like the science. Huh? One more time. One more time, honey. Yes, I do. Can you say it? What are you doing? What are you doing? Again, one more time, honey. I like science. Can you say that? I like science. Again, I like science. Okay, now let's have this one.
Music.
Can you say this word?
Music.
Music, yay! Very good. That one is music. Great job. Okay. Great job, my dear. Okay.
Làm tốt lắm tôi ơi.
Now, let's move forward to my question, honey. Do you like this subject, my dear? Do you like this subject?
Bạn có thích môn học này không?
Do you like this? Yeah? Yes or no? No. No,
I
don't. Very good. I don't like music. One more time. I don't like music.
I don't like music.
Very good. That is it. I have a question. Do you have this subject at school? Do you have this subject at school?
Mm.
Do you have this subject at school, my dear? Okay, here.
Em có môn học này ở trường không, cưng?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but you don't like it. Okay, now let's move forward to this one, honey. Okay, let's go back here again. You
Maths.
say math for 3 times, honey. Math, math, math. Again, can you say that? Math, math, math.
Math, math, math.
Very
Maths.
good. Next one. Vietnamese, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. My dear? Vietnamese, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. Okay, great job, honey.
Vietnamese.
Yes. Next one. We have signs. Okay, one more. Signs, signs, signs. Can you say that? Yes.
That.
Very
Signs.
good. Signs. Next one. Let's have this. What is this one again? Mew. Okay, let's say music for 3 times, honey. Music, music, music. Ben? Ben? Music, music, music.